Approximately 615 nails have gone in there to hold the bank together while we work safely below it.
We're on State Highway 2 and we're probably 30 minutes out of Napier, heading more towards Wairoa. It's a reasonably busy road. The terrain, it's a mixture of clays and papa, and it's quite trying, especially if you get a wet day when we're down there trying to work. So yeah, the conditions are quite hazardous.
Yeah, we're at Devil's Elbow Site I, which is called Devil's Corner locally. This was a site of one of the bigger failures during Cyclone Gabrielle. We ended up with only just one lane to get all the heavies and longs around, and a lot of failure in the front.
Water came over the top, over the face there, scoured it all out. So they've basically put a temporary fix by putting material back in there to get it back open to one lane. Now we've had to cut down, we've probably removed 3,000 cube of material, and then as you can see, all the soil nails are in there as a temporary measure to hold the road up while we do the main fix.
We had to cut it down in 1.2 metre benches, soil nail all those, put rock meshing on the front, then allowed to cut down the next 1.2 metre bench. At the moment we're 12 metres down below the road level, so we've done a total of 10 benches. We've built a scaffold platform all the way around so they can get from one side to the other without interfering in the works and putting themselves at risk.
Traffic management's really important for our guys on the operations there to make sure they're safe from the public, but also making it safe for the public to be able to access through. And that's probably another reason why we put the scaffolding in here, because we've had a couple of sites where we've had vehicles not adhering to traffic management and going through red lights. So if there's an issue like that here, we actually have our guys off the road versus utilising that dead lane.
It'll end up with 2 lanes right the way through. There'll be some improved stormwater so that the next storm that comes along doesn't cause the same grief, and it should be an easier and smoother transition right the way through the site.